Hey, 62, I just want to let you know, I'm going to miss your snoring.
What'd you say, villain?
So I'm going to miss your snoring.
I know Magic 43. Now I start feeling your pain, but you just cruel.
I miss you already.
Bye, y'all.
Without even making 43 decide, 62 left her cube.
And with only one elimination left, let's see who their next victim is going to be. All right, it landed on Feastables. That means all of you get the world's best chocolate.
No, crunch. That's my favorite.
Oh, crunch. Thank you, Jim.
No problem. Even though he's eliminated, we'll still honor him.
Make sure you go to Walmart and try our brand new formula. Anyways, when the wheel finally landed on someone else in the 40s Alliance,
41, I love you, and that's why I'm gonna pass it on to you.
We finally have somebody new